How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset your keyboard in VIA. So the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to the usedvia.com or just search for VIA on your Chrome or web browser, and then it will take you to this app. Now inside the usedvia.app, you want to click on the authorized device, click your compatible keyboard right here. So it will basically gain access to that specific keyboard. And then you want to click on the gear icon, which will then take us to the main settings of our keyboard on the VIA application. Now inside this page, you will be able to see the reset button. Now, if it's not on this page, you could also see it inside the configuration tab. Basically, just scroll down, and then basically from there you are good to go. Now, as a last option, you could head over to the key tester, and from here we also have the reset keyboard option. So just click on reset, and then basically from there it will then reset our keyboard. So that's how easy it is to do. Once again, the first thing that you want to check is inside the configuration tab, inside setting, and lastly inside the key tester. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.